Welding helps in joining two metals at a high temperature by melting the base metal and the filler metal. Welding is a fabrication process that lets you join metals and create functional as well as decorative pieces. Most welding methods use high temperature to join the materials, whereas soldering and brazing do not allow the base metal to melt. After cooling, the base metal and the filler metal get attached. There are countless items you can make by using welding. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of welding project ideas for your interior design and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Looking at history, the welding process came to light when there was a search for a technique for developing iron into useful shapes. Welded blades were the first result of welding in the early years. Depending on the welding method, there are different types of filler materials used. The filler material is the pool of molten material that aids in the formation of a strong link between the base metal. The shielding process after welding the metals protects both the base and filler components from being oxidized. From gas flame to ultrasound, many energies are used in welding like electron beams, electric arc, laser, and friction. Welding is not just for professionals working in the manufacturing industry. It is also a great hobby for anyone who wants to repair or build things for fun and recreation. Welding projects can help welders of any skill level increase their knowledge and understanding of techniques, fundamentals, and skills. Whether you are just getting started or have been welding for quite some time, there are welding projects that anyone can do. If you started looking around at the objects you own, then you would realize that welding is present in almost every one of them. This is because welding is an essential part of any manufacturing process. Metal has been used as a building material for centuries. It is strong, durable, and weather-resistant, making it ideal for use in construction. Metal is an affordable building material. Compared to other materials, metal is much cheaper. This makes it an attractive option for builders and homeowners looking to save money on construction costs. Its low cost also makes it an attractive option for anyone who needs to construct many buildings at once. By using metal as the main building material, you can save money on construction costs and get your project done faster. Many people also find that metal buildings are more affordable to heat and cool than traditional buildings made from other materials. Metal is also an excellent insulator, meaning that it helps to keep buildings cool in the summer and warm in the winter. This can lead to significant savings on energy costs, especially for large buildings. In addition, metal is a non-flammable material, so it is a good choice for buildings that will be used as fire stations, hospitals, and other emergency facilities. If you are looking for a material that will help you save on energy costs, metal is a great option. Its durability also means that you will not have to worry about replacing it often, which can further reduce your energy expenses. Furthermore, metal is recyclable, so you can reuse it when you are ready to tear down your building. Metal is one of the most durable building materials available. Thus, if you want to build something sturdy, use metal. If properly handled, it doesn't corrode or rust, and it can withstand extreme weather conditions. This makes metal a wise choice for items that will be exposed to the elements. Building with metal also adds strength, because the metal is lighter than a wood frame. This makes metal a great construction, and if you are looking for a construction material that is strong and durable, metal is a good choice. Metal is a recyclable building material. If you ever need to replace your metal furniture or other metallic piece, you can recycle the old one and use the metal to construct new items. This makes metal a sustainable choice for builders who are looking to reduce their environmental impact. Metal can also be melted down and reused, making it an eco-friendly choice for your projects. By using metal as the main building material, you can reduce your environmental impact and help to keep our planet healthy. People are looking for ways to go green, and this is one way to do it. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked welding project ideas for your interior design and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.